Cause like I'm literally in my 30s and I still go to my parents' house and like steal food from them and steal like other things too. Is this normal? Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another What I Ate in a Day video. Today's video is kindly sponsored by Compliment, and today I'm gonna take you through a day in my life and also show you guys what I'm eating all day. So today is kind of a filming day, so I'm gonna kind of show you a little bit of behind the scenes, and again, just kind of show you little bits and pieces of my day, and of course, all the food I'm gonna be eating. I actually slept at my parents' house last night, so I had breakfast at their house, and so yeah, this is what I ate for breakfast. Had some coffee at my parents' house, but I'm having some more coffee. This is actually leftover. It's leftover coffee from yesterday, so I'm drinking it. So I'm just waiting for a grocery delivery because I am filming today. Today's kind of like a filming day, so I'm filming a meal prep video and also meal prepping. So I'm waiting for that delivery. I don't know when it's gonna come, so I think I'm just gonna make lunch. I was gonna wait for my delivery, but I'm just gonna make lunch because I'm hungry. Look, you guys, my parents gave me minced garlic. If you guys haven't seen like my garlic hack video, I basically learned this hack from my parents. They basically mince garlic in bulk and then they freeze it. And then so we always have minced garlic, and I ran out recently. So I asked my parents if I could take one. I mean, I could make it myself, but I was lazy. So I'm like, okay, well, I'm just gonna steal one. They have a whole bunch, okay? So anyway, if you guys want the garlic hack, I'll link that video below. But yeah, now I have minced garlic. Makes me very happy. Cause like I'm literally in my 30s and I still go to my parents' house and like steal food from them and steal like other things too. Is this normal? So once again, I am making my usual soba noodles, but this time I'm gonna have, I think I wanna make like a soba noodle stir fry with like tahini. And today is rainy, so I want something warm. So I'm gonna cook up some soba noodles. I'm gonna cook it probably a little bit less than what I would normally cook it, because then I'm gonna toss it in to the stir fry and then cook it further from there. That's my vision. So let's boil some water. So I found some frozen tofu in my freezer. So I think I'm gonna thaw this out and use this as my protein. And then I have some carrots, this purple cabbage, which I swear to God, I've had for like a month, but it lasts forever, I swear. So I'm gonna cut some of that up, and I also have some onion. I also have some frozen green beans, which I'm probably gonna add too. And then I think I'm gonna marinate the tofu just a little bit. So I'm just gonna make like a really quick soy sauce, apple cider vinegar, agave. There we go. By the way, I made this in my pottery class. I'm gonna cook up the noodles, probably for about 3 to 4 minutes. So just so that it's slightly undercooked, and then I can like stir fry it. I microwave the tofu, and as you can see, it's already has all that water content. And if you don't know, freezing your tofu and then thawing it out allows you to like really marinate the tofu really well. When you freeze it and then thaw it and squeeze out the excess water, it creates like air pockets, allowing the tofu to marinate much more efficiently. And it really soaks up whatever sauce you marinate it in, and also makes the tofu a little bit more meatier in consistency. So that's a little hack. And then I'm just gonna cut the tofu into cubes. Yeah. And let's add in that sauce. It's already kind of soaked it up. I don't know if you can see, but I feel like if it wasn't frozen, it doesn't soak it up as quickly. and you have to kind of let it sit for a bit longer. But when you freeze it, it really just gets into that tofu. Add in some oil. Ooh, I think my pan is too hot. Ooh. This is my issue. I always overheat the pan because my pan takes forever to heat up. So I kind of leave it on heating for a while and then I overheat it. All right, now I'm gonna set this aside. I'm gonna add a little more oil. Onion. I'll just throw it all in, I'm lazy. Also gonna add in some of that minced garlic. While the veggies are cooking, I'm gonna make my tahini sauce, which I'll link the recipe below. So basically you take some tahini, a bit of soy sauce, a bit of agave nectar or maple syrup, some lemon juice, or you can use like apple cider vinegar as well, some garlic powder. And normally I would also add nutritional yeast, but I think I'm gonna leave that out today. And then I'm just gonna mix it. The recipe will be linked below for this tahini sauce. When I first tried tahini, I didn't like it because I thought it was bitter. But if you make this sauce, like it's literally life-changing. It's so good. So the veggies have cooked up nicely. So I'm gonna add in, I'm gonna probably use about half that tofu I cooked and then use the other half later. It looks great. And then I have the noodles, which after they cooked, I actually did rinse them in cold water and just let it sit just so it stopped cooking. And then I'm gonna add the sauce. Hopefully there's enough sauce for everything. But I think because I seasoned the tofu, it should be okay. This looks so good. I don't think I need anything else. That's made my lunch. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of sesame seeds. That looks so good. You could get this at a restaurant. All right, let's try this. I think I could have added like a tiny bit more sauce, but it's really good. I think I'm gonna add a little bit of sriracha. Although now sriracha, guys, I have half a bottle of sriracha left and it's not being sold in stores right now. There's a shortage. So I'm freaking out a little bit, but anyway. This is all I have left. Very sad about it. It's basically liquid gold at this point. Let's have it with a little sriracha. So normally after I eat lunch, I take my vitamins and I am taking Complement multivitamin. This is basically an all-in-one multivitamin made for plant-based eaters like myself. And like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, today's video is very kindly sponsored by Complement. And I've been taking Complement now for a while and I love that it's so convenient and everything I need is basically here. So let me take it. There you go. Now I'm covered. This is actually designed by and for plant-based eaters. So it really focuses on the critical vitamins and minerals that you might be lacking on a plant-based diet. So it's really specifically designed for people that follow either a really high plant-based diet or a fully plant-based diet. So it's perfect for you and perfect for me. So it has vitamin B12, vegan omega-3, there's vitamin D3, and all of these things that are really important that we are not deficient in. So I just love that it is just all packaged in here. And if you buy all those vitamins separately, it's obviously gonna be a lot more expensive and also just like annoying. And I love the name of this, which is Complement, because it's designed to complement an already healthy plant-based diet. It's just a little additional thing to make sure we meet all of our vitamin and mineral requirements. performance. It's high quality, it's third-party tested, and they also have other products on their website as well, such as greens powders, protein powders, and other stuff. So definitely check out all their other products. The link is down below, and you can get 15% off your order if you use the code CHEAPLAZYVEGAN. Every order provides a free plant-based meal to a child in need, which is also amazing. So yeah, once again, info and links are down below. Thank you so much to Compliment for sponsoring today's video, and thank you for keeping me healthy. Okay, now moving on. This is how I set up my lights. I keep the lights in my office / second bedroom, and I just bring it out when I'm ready to film. So the one thing I wish my place had was like better lighting in the kitchen. When I was looking for a place, I was considering that, but then because I loved everything else about my apartment, I was like, okay, let me sacrifice the lighting. But the kitchen lighting is just so dark. Like, obviously I don't have the lights on, but even with the lights on, because there's no windows here, like what I would want is like kitchen, sorry, I have to still clean some of this. Kitchen, and then like windows just right there so that you can get all that natural light, because nothing beats natural light. It's the kind of setup that I usually set up. I have this island here that I bought, and then I've got the two big lights, and then my kitchen. I'm gonna clean up some of this before I actually start filming, but just thought I'd show you in case you think that's interesting. So yeah, I have the camera here. I need to change that, and then yeah, I just kind of stand here. I do the cooking. There's my little studio. I got my groceries. Oh, okay. I'm just gonna show you what I got. Let's do a grocery haul. It's been a long time. Oh. It's hard for me to do grocery hauls nowadays because it's so hard to do budget ones because they're so expensive. Everything's so expensive and it makes me upset. Anyway, let me show you what I got. Spinach. Celery, green onion, so expensive. I got 2 things of tea, ginger and green tea. I got a thing of minced ginger, cause like I get really lazy with ginger, you know? So I got 2 cans of tomato paste. Always handy to have these around. All of these have gone up in price. It makes me sad. I got like 4 cans of chickpeas. 4 cans of chickpeas. I ran out of Korean crack, so I got some sesame oil, roasted sesame oil, aka Korean crack. Oreos, because I'm gonna make overnight Oreo oats. I got some vegan yogurt. This is coconut-based vegan yogurt. It's so good. This is one of my faves. Some brown rice. I actually got a lot of things, because I don't usually do the grocery deliveries very often. So when I do them, I just kind of like try to get as much as you know, big things, right? Like that I don't want to carry. I got some sushi rice, can of crushed tomatoes, a thing of bubbly. This again went up in price. This used to be like 5 something and now it's 7 something. What the hell is going on? I got this big thing of roasted seaweed. So it comes with like packets like this. I know, so much plastic. I want to cry, but it's like a lot of them. So this is, I need this in my life. This should last me a while. My last box lasted me a few months. I got some broccoli, some baby bok choy. I'm gonna use that today in my meal prep. Some raspberries, onions, carrots, and lemons. And here's the haul, guys. Let me check how much this cost me. So without all the extra fees for delivery and all that stuff, the total was $122.89 Canadian. So yeah, there you go. I feel like a few years ago, this would have been like $80. Anyway, there you go. There's my haul. Now I'm just gonna clean this up and then I'm gonna get ready for filming. I'm also gonna just kind of clear up all that stuff here and just get ready for filming. Alright guys, post-workout, I'm gonna have a protein shake. I'm gonna take this chocolate protein by Compliment. So I have been having protein shakes more frequently just because it's like an easy way to get in protein. And I have a lot of protein powder and yeah, so I want to build some muscles. So I'm just gonna add this into water. I'm gonna weigh out 24.5 grams. There you go. We're just going to mix. Post-workout protein shake. This one's quite nice. I used to hate mixing water with protein powder, but now I don't mind it. Build the muscles. All right, for dinner, I'm gonna have the thing that I meal prepped, which is a bok choy tofu stir fry with brown rice. And I stupidly put it in the fridge, even though I'm basically gonna eat it now. So I am going to heat it up. I'm just gonna put it into a microwavable dish. Look at all that sauce. Let's try it. It's so good. Alright you guys, so that's pretty much it for my what I ate in a day. I hope you enjoyed spending the day with me and eating with me and all that stuff. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. If you want to check out more what I ate in a day videos, I'll have a playlist linked down below. Thank you so much to Compliment for sponsoring today's video. Make sure you guys check out Compliment. The link is down below along with the coupon code CheapLazyVegan for you to get 15% off of Compliment Essentials. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!